Another malfunction. Dear customer, wouldn't it be great if your system is highly available and allows trouble-free operations? With high service life values of our Festo components, the reliability and availability of your systems can be planned and predicted much better. Through constant product improvements, in particular, the optimization of our tribological properties, wear is minimized and service life is extended. Our VUVG product range offers you a long service life and enables you to save costs during operations. Not only maintenance costs can be reduced, but production downtimes can also be avoided. Furthermore, we are making an important contribution to sustainability. So, dear customer, I would like to invite you to discover the high quality of Festo components and systems.